Urgency, real urgency, and if you communicate it well, is always fine. Them wanting to make a decision fast is getting them to understand how much they're wasting every month by not having this fixed. Depends all how you say it. To answer your question, it depends all how you say it. Urgency, if it's real urgency, and if you communicate it well, is always fine. So, but the way you wrote it, I wouldn't say it like that, because if you say it like that, I understand if someone is a bit like, hey, that sounds a bit weird. So you say, for example, we'd like to ensure you're spot at our current rates ASAP. That sounds really like pushy, that you, as soon as possible, we want you to ensure your spot, right? So I guess you said it's been a problem, John, for around 3 months now, you said? That the lead gen was a problem? Yeah, 3 months. Got it. I hear you. Well, how urgent is it for you actually to change that and fix that problem? Like, how soon do you want to change that? And they said, yeah, so you go more into the pain. Do you feel like you're using the ad spend with that other agency properly? Not so well. How much do you feel like, quote unquote, wasted every month? And then you can establish the cost for them every month they're missing by not doing it. And then you say, how urgent is it really then to fix the lead gen and get more clients for your interior business? We have to see, of course, the best provider, but it's important. Then you talk about, hey, who else are you looking at? Solution awareness questions. Are you talking to other agencies already? Cool. And you go through all of that. And at the end, you say, cool, our next step, go through the transition phase. And you talk that our next step would be to show you in more detail, of course, how we would help you fix the problem and do all of that. And so then you say, get a micro commitment on, would you like with me together to look at that game plan together? Especially if you don't have enough time and need a second call. And they say, sure, yeah, I want that. Great. I know we only have 10 minutes left, so we would need a second call for this. So are you interested in setting up that call to go deeper and make a lot of value? Yeah, that sounds good. Great. And just so for me to know when would be the best time logistically to set this one up. I know you said it's important, but how soon are you wanting to make a decision on this actually? Do you want to make a decision on this and fix this rather sooner or rather later? And then, basically you're withholding the second call and all the details by getting them to tell you how important it is. And then they say, yeah, look, it's not so important right now. We can look at this maybe, in January. And then you could say, hey, cool, no worries at all. At this stage, I guess we can do two things. We could set up the call for January and have the call then, no problem. Or what we could also do, we could also set up the call in December. Just keep in mind, I want to be fully transparent here with you, that every end of the year, when our clients get amazing results, we always increases our prices slightly, just to make sure that, we always have top talent in the team. We pay our team well, so our clients get amazing results. And that's why I keep increasing the prices. But that's totally fine with me. We can also have the call in January, make a decision then, but obviously just so you are aware that this might be the new prices. Or we set up the call for December, see if it's a fit, and then get you locked in. But wherever you want to go. So what do you think is most appropriate? Didn't push anything. I got them to say how important it is. And of course, they are curious. What is the plan? How does it look like? And then I give them the option, hey, you decide. And so obviously you're not pushing them for anything, but most people will then say, okay, cool, let's have the call. If they say, yeah, it's not urgent at all, but before they say that it is really urgent, and you say, hey, didn't you say it's really urgent right now? What's really going on? And then you can prevent that, because the way you say it now, we make a decision rather quickly to ensure your spot. Usually that comes from you. Them wanting to make a decision fast is getting them to understand how much they're wasting actually every month by not having this fixed. And you do that by asking proper questions.
If you like this video, then definitely subscribe for more videos like that. And if you want to learn more how we can help or just get any of the resources that we shared in this video, then definitely check the link in the description or just make a comment under the video and we'll make sure to hook you up or send you all the info that you need. Looking forward and seeing you in the next video.